Hi guys, Ashley here from mamasdance.com. Today I'm going to show you how we built our DIY shed and chicken coop. It took us about 6 days spread out over a couple of weekends. We've still got a few things left to finish, but we've made really great progress and I thought I'd take you along, so let's go. Okay, so I'm out with my boys and we are just going to get all of the lumber moved over so that we can have it in the back on the deck, and we've got a flat surface to keep it and start assembling our trusses and wall panels. My husband and I came up with a design for a 12 by 12 shed, which includes a 4 by 12 chicken coop inside, and then we also plan to attach a 8 by 12 run. So it's always interesting / feels kind of impossible trying to do things with the little ones out, well, mostly my 2-year-old, but it's going pretty good. They're finally playing nice, and that means we can get this moved and then try to continue with site prep. It seemed to take forever for the snow to melt, and once it did, it was wet and muddy, and so it was a little tricky to work around, but we did our best. Mark the line, and then you're gonna place your stud.
I'll line the top up.
We've got our pressure treated 2x6s in place up on skids, and we're ready to go on the floor. How old are you today?
10.
What day is it?
April 22nd.
Do you like getting to build things?
Yeah.
Is this kind of fun?
Yeah.
Are you in your glory? What are we building?
Chicken coop and chicken run in greenhouse.
Yeah. Our boys were so incredibly helpful on this project. They loved being a part of it. We had them paint the underside of the floorboards with some leftover exterior paint just to protect them again from any potential moisture. Today we are getting the flooring down and screwing that in, so we should have that all assembled, and then we are going to be ready to put our walls up. You can hear a little drilling in the background, so let's go. Okay, so we got all of our trusses and walls built, and then we just move them into place, and we will add some cross beam support once we have those up and secured. Ta-da! It is starting to look like a shed, and I just can't wait to get everything cleaned up and put away. Here is some more progress. I hung up the window. We've got some trimming out to do, but it's just in place for now so we can start to get the chicks settled in inside. The doors are on. We've also added fascia board along the top. The chicks are happy. They are doing so well. We moved them in and they are about 6 weeks old, and we've got 7 of them. is what you look like after using a paint sprayer. I've got a lot of paint on myself. You can see the coverage behind me. This is after 1 coat, and so we're definitely going to need 2. I'm hoping we won't need 3, but we'll see. It's going pretty fast, and as long as the wind doesn't pick up, it goes pretty well, but there is a lot of overspray. Okay, so we have a really big day planned today. We are hoping to get all of the shingles done on both the shed and the run. And then we want to get the shakes installed on the front of the coop. So painting is finished. We got all the fascia boards done. I pushed hard to get that finished last night. And now we are going to get this baby shingled. We added cedar shakes onto the front of the shed so that it coordinates with the siding that we put on the exterior of our house, and it just looks so cute and cottagey. I love the way that it turned out. There you have it. It was a really long day to get this finished off, and now we just need to go ahead and get all of the cedar shakes stained and add wire onto the chicken run. Alright guys, well that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed watching the process behind our DIY shed and chicken coop. We've just got a few things to finish off, like adding the hardware cloth to the run and a chicken door, and of course I'm probably going to paint the front door, but I'll share those updates in another video. You can find me over on mamasdance.com and on Instagram at thismamasdance. See you next time.